Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting what you want removed. This matters because Excel treats selected cells differently. Click a cell or drag across a range, or press Ctrl+A to grab the whole sheet. Once done, make sure the sheet isn't protected and merged cells won't interfere, since protection prevents deletion and merged ranges can shift other data. Now that your selection is active, you're ready for the keyboard shortcut that deletes cells, rows, or columns quickly without using the mouse. You press Ctrl and the minus key together to summon the delete dialog. This saves time versus right-click menus. In the dialog, choose whether to shift cells left or up, or remove entire row S or column S, because each option affects surrounding data differently. If you prefer keyboard only, hit Tab or use the underlined letter with Alt to switch options, then press Enter to confirm. Doing this keeps formulas and layout consistent when you remove data deliberately. You finish by checking nearby formulas and cell references to ensure nothing shifted unexpectedly. Deleted rows can change formula ranges. If something went wrong, immediately press Ctrl+Z to undo the deletion. You can repeat Ctrl+Z for multiple steps. Make sure to save a copy before big deletions. If the delete dialog or action is blocked, check sheet protection and whether the workbook is shared, because those settings prevent deletion and require unprotecting or changing sharing before you can remove cells.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.